Take the red piece of fabric and place it on top of the blue piece of fabric. Then line up the cut edges as shown. With the edges lined up, load them into the sewing machine. You want to line the edge of the fabric with the edge of the presser foot. You'll lower the presser foot down, lower the needle using the hand wheel, and begin sewing. As you're sewing, make sure the edge of the fabric stays aligned with the edge of the presser foot. Move the red fabric over as you need to and sew. You'll see the fabric will get separated. Simply move the red fabric and line it up with the blue fabric and keep sewing. Here you can see it's separated again, so move it over and keep sewing. You'll repeat this process until you are completely done with sewing the two pieces of fabric together. If you notice that the two pieces of fabric keep separating, that is normal. Simply realign the edges together and keep sewing. As you approach the end of the fabric, you'll keep lining the two edges together and sew it. When you're done, raise the needle, raise the presser foot, and pull the fabric out of the sewing machine. Grab the scissors and clip the thread, or use the thread cutter on the back of the machine to clip the thread. You'll open your flag up and move on to the next step. You'll notice that the flag has a zigzag finish on the edge of the fabric. Fold it over and we'll sew it to create a cleaner edge. We'll fold it over about 1/2 inch and load it into the sewing machine using the presser foot as a guide for your 1/2 inch mark. Drop the presser foot and keep the edge of the fabric lined up with the edge of the presser foot. You'll lower your needle and begin sewing. Repeat this process for the remaining two edges. Remember, when you create your flag, the left side remains unsewn for the dowel. Turn your flag face down and take the dowel and line it up with the edge of your flag. Take some glue and glue all the way down from the top to the bottom. Then roll your edge over onto the dowel and let it dry. This will create the flagpole. Take your star stencil and place it in the middle of the flag. Remember, the 2 points should be above the arc. Grab your white pen and you'll outline this star from one side all the way to the other side. Then remove the stencil and color in the shape of the star using your pen. You'll also want to add in your 12-point burst all the way around.